You know, it's not just after I became an actor, but I think through school and college, everyone would refer to me as Moti. लॉरेल एंड हार्डी जा रहे हैं, मेरी एक फ्रेंड बहुत पतली है, तो जब हम साथ में चलते थे तो लॉरेल एंड हार्डी बुलाते थे हमको, एंड ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, यू नो. पीपल वुड से सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फेस, व्हाई डोंट यू लूज सम वेट. अरे एक्टर बनना चाहती हो, ऐसे देखते थे. तो यू नो, I think it breaks your confidence somewhere, and body confidence is very important. At some stage we'll go beyond that, but I think for now, because I've realized that so much of our conversation happens around the body. The moment you enter a place, people will say, oh, you lost weight, na? Lovely, you put on a little weight. It's always about that. Pata hai, mere paas ek naya diet hai, I've started doing this, you know, I've started CrossFit. There's जैसे हवा हो गया, people have started posting videos of their fitness and all, and it's great to motivate other people as long as it's about fitness and it's not about unrealistic goals of being you know, so-called beautiful. So I think at various points it's broken me. I remember when someone did not reciprocate my crush, I thought maybe it's because I was not, you know, the perfect body, but today I know that it was his loss and not mine.
Vidya, I have a question for
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Would you like to sit down?
No, thank you.
Okay, that was the question. Okay, yeah.
Hi Vidya. Hi, Bhavna this side. How are
Hi,
you?
Bhavna.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. विद्या, वैसे तो आप अक्सर हर चीज़ के बारे में बहुत खुल के बात करती हैं और इस शो में भी आप करने वाली है, लेकिन कोई ऐसा टॉपिक जो आपको अनकंफर्टेबल लगता हो, जिसके बारे में कभी आप बात करने से कतराती हो?
अभी तक तो नहीं. अगर आपने आइडिया दिया तो शायद मैं कहूँ कि अरे इस बारे में मैंने सोचा नहीं है, पर आई एम हैप्पी टू टॉक अबाउट एनीथिंग. अभी तक तो ये बात आपको पता चल ही गया होगा.
Hi, Vidya. This is Priyanka from Indian Express.
Hi.
Hi. Vidya, I recently spoke to Taapsee, and she told me that how the struggle never really ends for a female actor in Bollywood,
Right.
despite her enormous success. For Vidya Balan, who is massively successful in Bollywood, has the struggle really ended, or this pertinent sexism in the industry continues to be a huge obstacle?
I think there is a sexism not just in the industry, but in our society, in our country, in the world. But having said that, I've reached a stage where I've put myself in a position where it does not affect me. But it's taken a lot, and I completely empathize with everyone who still faces it. But you know, probably I've insulated myself in a way. But I would say it definitely exists. You can't deny that it does.
विद्या मैम,
Hi.
विद्या मैम, पहले तो सैल्यूट करना चाहूँगा आपको, क्योंकि आपने हाल ही में कोबरा पोस्ट में जो आपका आया है कि आपने प्रमोट करना मतलब गलत समझा पॉलिटिकल कैंपेन या पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा को.
thank
क्या
you.
कहना चाहेंगे कि कितनी गलत बात है ये कि बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज इन्वॉल्व हुए इस चीज़ में, बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज मना कर दिए. आपकी नज़र में ये क्या है?
मैं किसी के बारे में जजमेंट पास नहीं करना चाहती. मैं सिर्फ बोलूँगी कि आई एम uncomfortable doing it, which is why I didn't do it. To each his own. Maybe they didn't even realize कि you know, क्योंकि आजकल तो जैसे मैंने कहा सोशल मीडिया पे ब्रिजेश कह रहे थे कि सब कुछ मतलब लोग हर चीज़ पे कमेंट कर रहे हैं, तो maybe they thought it was not big, and we shouldn't you know, really become judge, juries, and executioners at the drop of a hat. To each his own. मैं नहीं कर सकती, मैंने नहीं किया. That's it.